I have been seeking a girl who can complete my life. Behold, the Lord send you. I have been following you online for a while and am convinced you are the one for me. Sometimes I fantasize about being coffee while you ask. I envy the coffee cup that kisses your lips every morning. I love you deeply. I dream of a world where you and I would live for a million years loving each other. I know I never get tired of loving you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Not many people make me all soft and bushy when talking to me. You do that, and I believe you are the one God kept for me. My friends think I am crazy about you. The funny thing is that it is true. Your beauty drove me nuts ever since I saw you.